Working at the clinic and getting that hands-on experience and having my professor there has increased my confidence as a provider significantly.
The Rollins Behavior Services Center is a training center where we train our applied behavior analysis students in how to provide excellent behavior analytics services. Our expert faculty are able to work directly with them, provide them with feedback on the services that they're providing, and get them experiences in assessments and interventions that they're not able to get anywhere else.
I feel like this experience is very unique. I have been able to do so many things that I wouldn't have been able to do because we've been able to be very hands-on. Whether that be writing assessments, writing programs, speaking to families, or like just implementation in general.
The center is very much integrated within the coursework that the students are doing, so they're going to have a very integrative experience as they hear about it, do it, and then understand the decision making that goes into selecting that assessment and interpreting the data.
It's a completely different thing when you're hands-on doing the procedures that you've been talking about for months and semesters and days. I think that has enhanced my learning experience, especially working underneath my professors and being with them throughout the whole time. It's really allowed me to understand these concepts more than I ever could have if I just read about them.
Our ABACS graduates, after having worked at Rollins Behavior Services, are going to have a better understanding of how to interpret and implement research with their clients directly, and this will improve the quality of services that they're providing to them.
I think that this experience has allowed me to make those decisions that I will be making as a BCBA, and being able to collaborate with a group of BCBAs and a group of other providers such as speech and OT. I think it's given me that confidence to advocate for my client as well as make decisions that are best for my client.